for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, so you won't miss anything. A little sneak peek. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, of course, the Amazon wig, which is taking me and maybe you by storm. So I have this amazing piece from COSS WIGS. I'll leave the link down below for you, so do check them out. They have gorgeous pieces. Here is the packaging right here. So it's really nice. You know, really great colors. This line really has a lot of really beautiful colors that actually I haven't seen, including this blue wig. I hadn't seen this blue wig anywhere, and I'm like, I gotta have it. You know me, I love blue wigs. Here's all the blue wigs that I have done. Do check those out. I'll leave the links down below for those. But anyway, so this is from COSS WIGS, like I mentioned, from Amazon. Really, there is almost like no shedding. It's very minimal, especially like for this long of a wig. It's actually kind of crazy how little. And tangling, it actually says no tangling. I'd probably say like minimal tangle. Like most of my Amazon wigs that are very long, like I'm always very shocked at how very minimally they get tanged. So pretty great. And then also gives you washing instructions as well if you choose to wash it. Now I will tell you, I think it's because of the blue color. I don't know. I haven't had this intense of a wig, but it actually does kind of smell like, I don't know, a little bit like tires? Maybe that's wrong. Like maybe they're just like an acrylic smell. I have no idea. But I did pick this up from Amazon. This wig control spray is good for synthetic and human hair wigs. And also it just helps like with managing the hair. And then also what's really great about it, I love, it smells like coconut. I mean, I will purchase this. Some people don't like coconut, so if you do not like coconut, do not buy this. But if you want to be reminded of a beautiful beachy summer day, purchase it. So no, I really like this. In fact, I feel like spraying this on my regular hair. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did it. I did spray my hair with this because it's good for natural hair, so why not? I wanted my hair to smell great. So it actually comes with a wig cap. I was actually kind of excited. I do not have any of these mesh wig caps, so I was excited to give this one a try in the future. I'll just be using my nude wig cap, but I'm excited to have this mesh one because it's the first mesh wig cap that I own. Thank you, COSS WIGS. So, okay. This girl, look at this amazing, oh my gosh, piece. Like, have you seen anything so glorious ever? I mean, this hues of this blue down to this turquoise, just glamorous. And as you can clearly see, this girl is very long. I would say probably 24 inches at least. Whoa, great. And then her roots are black. She has black roots, and then I'll just bring it a little closer so you can see that beautiful gradation. And also, I took some photos that this is actually, if you want to like braid these wigs, like really cool because of these colors kind of blending together, really great. Okay, so let's talk. Oh, this also has a 2.5 inch parting, as you can see. I didn't do anything to this wig except for cut the lace off, so I haven't plucked it. I haven't done anything, no thinning, nothing. So I just cut the lace off. So let's look at the inside of the wig. So there are 2 clips on the side here. Is there a clip? Oh, yep, there is a clip right here in the middle, which I never use, and then there is not a clip in the back, but just the fasteners. All of these Amazon wigs from all the ones that I've purchased are very large head friendly, FYI. I normally have to tie it like super tight, in fact like notch it in an area that isn't really for the tightening things, but I need it like much tighter. So big head friendly, ladies, go get them. All right, so let's put it on. So like I said, I have my wig cap here, which I have I got a nude from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below. I got a 10-pack for $5.99. Purchase set, so you never run out of wig caps or lose them. They're always handy. All right, so let me back it up a little bit, because this girl, I'm gonna have to just, okay, so I put my wigs on front to back. Boom. Oh my gosh, look at her. I mean, I don't think I need to say anything else about that. I think we can just end the video, right? No. So wow, look at this gorgeous wig. This color is so striking. I mean, honestly, like, it looked really great online, but I feel like in person, it is like much better than the photos. And I thought it was gonna be great from the photos, but wow. I mean, so this is, I'm 5'7", so this is definitely like a belly button, waist wig length. Whoa. Okay, so like I said, I have it down the middle. Sorry, you know, I'm not used to with this. I had to change lenses because this wig is so long. Look at my mirror here. Okay, great. So this is actually pretty good on. Couldn't really see before. What I did do when I first got it, some of the top was not really length-flat, or kind of was a little bumped up a little bit. So I just took a flat iron to it. It is heat safe. So my flat iron doesn't have temperature range, it just has numbers on it. I literally had it at a 5, it goes up to 7. Normally these wigs can withstand on an average between 320 and maybe up to 400 degrees. You just kind of have to test it, go low. Like I said, my setting, I used a 5 out of the dial when it only goes to 7 as the max. So kind of did the mid-range, and I just kind of like straightened this part, because it kind of, I do notice like these Amazon wigs that this parting right here, right in the middle, gets a little bumpy. You know, maybe from being in the package, I'm really not sure. And then, so yeah, so I just kind of smoothed it out, and then, honestly, it's perfect from me taking a little bit of flat iron to it. So, okay, now let me see here. I didn't mess around with putting it on the side. So this is the side that would normally part my hair. Let me tuck my ear in here. Not bad. Another dimension. You know what? I don't know. I mean, I kind of like it down the middle, but of course this is a really great option too. And then let's put it on the other side. Move this girl around here. Ooh. Whoa. I love this too. Yes. Okay, so actually I want to show you just super quick about the braiding. Let's just take a minute. Let's just take a full second. Now mind you, I am not a braider, so it's not gonna look that great. I never braid my hair, I don't braid anything. When it comes to like hair design, that's the one thing I wish I really knew how to do, because I do not. Those girls that can like do the French braids on their own, like kudos to you. Okay, so this is not gonna be that great, but I just wanted to show you so you can see like how cool the potential is with this coloring. Just how it's like all in there, and like, I don't know, I love it, I love it. And then you can kind of like, you know, spread it. I know those girls like spread it out real cool. Real cool, but maybe one day I'll be cool with the braids. We'll see. It's just one YouTube video away from watching it. So again, this wig is from COSS WIGS. Do check them out, really great. I really love it. This wig is super soft and silky, super soft and silky. It's great. So again, check it out. Leave me a comment down below if you have a COSS wig, or if you have a favorite Amazon wig or a favorite blue wig. You know I love a blue wig. So So let me know, leave me a comment down below. Honestly, I so appreciate every single one of you. I honestly do. I love all of your comments and I love spreading the positivity because you only live once and you should wear a wig, right? Life is short. Do you, do whatever makes you happy and live in color. So I wanna thank you